In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate in Figma in two simple ways, using your mouse for fast visual adjustments and using exact angle values for precise control. This is a super useful skill when you're designing layouts, icons, cards, or any element that needs to be turned just right. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Figma tips. And let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the element you want to rotate. This can be a shape, image, frame, text box, or any other object on the canvas. Once it's selected, look for the outside corner of the object. Move your cursor just outside one of the corners until you see the rotate cursor appear. When that rotation cursor shows up, click and drag to spin the element to the angle you want. As you drag, Figma will visually rotate the object in real time, which makes it easy to line things up by eye. If you want a quick angled adjustment, this method is usually the fastest. You can also hold to fine-tune the placement after rotating so the design stays balanced. Now, if you need a precise rotation, Figma gives you an exact angle option. With the element still selected, go to the right sidebar and click the Design tab if you are not already there. Scroll through the properties until you find the rotation input field marked with the degree symbol. Here, you can type in the exact angle you want, such as 90, 180, or even a negative value like -45. This is especially helpful when you need consistent alignment across multiple objects or when you want to match a specific design direction exactly. After entering the value, press Enter and Figma will instantly rotate the element to that angle. If you need to reset it later, just return to the same rotation field and set it back to 0 degrees. The great thing about learning both methods is that you can work faster and more accurately depending on the task. Use mouse dragging for creative adjustments and use the exact angle box whenever precision matters. That's how to rotate in Figma in the simplest way possible. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.